25.
Voila.
Hello.
Good afternoon. And you are?
Vincent.
Vincent and?
Pansy.
And what
Abby.
are you two doing in Paris today?
Skydiving.
Skydiving! Excellent, excellent. Whose idea was this?
This is my
Samantha's.
sister's, Samantha.
Samantha's idea.
Thanks.
Awesome.
Okay, you first. Any messages before we go?
I don't know. Woo! Yeah, I don't know.
That sums it up.
Just jump out and have fun for myself.
Anything
Yeah,
else?
Follow
I
my
can't
plan.
believe I'm doing this. It's Samantha and Vincent's fault. Yeah.
Their fault.
Yeah.
Just now you're gonna thank them.
Yes, I'll thank them, yeah.
Okay. We will see you in that small aircraft just now,
Good?
and I promise you, you will
Good.
have fun.
Thank you.
Good.
Yes.
See you there.
Good.
Cheers.
Good, good.
Can you feel it? Now it's coming back. We can steal it. If we bridge this gap, I can see you through the curtains of the waterfall. When I lost it.
A couple of thousand to go then, you and me. Then, landing. Out of that door. Are you ready for this? Sure. Okay, I'll see you outside. And remember a very important rule. The rule is you must have fun. See you there.
But I tossed it, didn't understand you were waiting as I dove into the waterfall. So say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo. Can you Well, we rushed it, moving way too fast, and we crushed it. But it's in the past. We can make this leap through the curtains of the waterfall. So say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo. Can you feel? Well, I'm just a boy with a broken toy, all lost and coy. So it's here I stand as a broken man, but I found my friend. Now I'm falling down.
Woohoo! And how's that?
Shoo!
Are you with me?
Yeah, but there's hail.
No, it was just rain. That's
Yeah,
why I
was
had my
it
hand
rain?
over here to protect your face. Turn around quickly. Now you can relax your legs completely calm. And how's it? Hey, relax your legs. Look at the camera and say, I'm alive. You are in charge. We're gonna do a small thing. Good turn.
I'm just a boy with a broken toy, all lost and coy. So it's here I stand as a broken man, but I found my friend. Now I'm falling down through the crashing sound, and you come around, and you rush to me, and it sets us free. So I fall to my knees. Curtains of the waterfall. So say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo.
slide.
We didn't even slide. You can stand up.
Yeah.
Stand up. Stand.
No, I can't.
There we go. And how's that?
Whew, I feel a bit nauseous.
You get a bit now. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
just get yourself a Coke. Look in the camera.
Whew.
Thanks for the jump. Awesome.
Thank you.
Give me a high five. Thanks a lot.